Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video I'll guide you step by step on how to go full screen on Windows 11 so you can enjoy a bigger and distraction-free view. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open any browser or application window on your Windows 11 computer. This can be Chrome, Edge, File Explorer, or any page you want to view in full screen. Make sure the window is selected and visible on your desktop. Step 2. Press the F11 key on your keyboard to enter full screen mode. The F11 key is located on the top row of your keyboard and is commonly used in browsers to expand the window. Once pressed, the address bar, tabs and taskbar will be hidden. Step 3. Press the F11 key again to exit full screen mode. Since F11 works as a toggle key, pressing it a second time will bring back the tabs and taskbar to normal view. Step 4. You can also press and hold the ESC key while in full screen mode to exit. The ESC key is at the top left corner of your keyboard and is often used to cancel or close actions quickly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.